Okay, I'm going to compare all these microphones for reference. So here's the microphone that would have came with this radio in 2014 or 15. So we're going to monitor on 3000. Adjust this. I accidentally bumped the vehicle. Okay. A little loud. KG7H3R testing 1, 2, 3, 4. That's position number 1. And then that's position number 2. Okay, so now we're going to switch to the next microphone. Okay, this is the microphone my friend gave me. It's a clone, I think. We'll start on position 1. KG7H3R testing on the MH31 clone. MH31 clone position 2. Okay, this is a late 90s, early 2000s Yaesu branded one, not a Vertex standard. KG7H3R testing the MH31 Yaesu microphone position 1. And position 2 on that one. Here's the 710 microphone. There is no way to change this one. KG7H3R testing the Yaesu FT450D microphone on the FT450D. 450D. Okay, so now we got an MD100 hooked on here. And we're going to use it in normal position. KG7H3R testing the MD100 and pass-through mode, pass-through. Okay, this is the high emphasis on the MD100. And then this would be high emphasis with low cut number 2. And high emphasis with low cut number 1. And this is with just low cut number 1. And this is with just low cut number 2. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I don't have any other microphones that I can hook to this to compare, so this is just for documentation purposes and maybe you'll glean some information out of it. So, like I said in the previous video, we're ordering one of these for replacement, so that'll be here tomorrow, and I'll do some tests with that. Stay tuned for the next video.